This is Naganika, lecturer in Commerce, Government Model Degree College, LRD. And now we discuss the least squares method, the remaining problems. Calculate the trend values by method of least squares from the following data and estimate the production for the year 1998. Year is 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996 and 1997. Now the production is in MTS 38, 46, 40, 56, 60, 64, 72. Now we discuss the solution in least squares method. Calculation of least squares method. First here the years are given 1990. Here even number of years are given 1990, 1991, 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996, 1997. Here 8 years are given. These 8 years are even number of years. Now here y values are given in the problem: 28, 38, 46, 40, 56, 60, 64, 72. The total of y equals to 404. Now we have to calculate the x values for the even number of years. Minus 3.5 into 2, minus 7, minus 2.5 into 2, minus 5, minus 1.5 into 2, minus 3, minus 0.5 into 2, minus 1 into 2, plus 1, plus 1.5 into 2, plus 3, plus 2.5 into 2, plus 5, plus 3.5 into 2, 7. So these are x values. X into x, x square. Now x into x, minus 7 into minus 7, 49, minus 5 into 5, 25, minus 3, 3 ja 9, minus 1 into 1, 1, plus 1 into 1, 1, 3 3 ja 9, 5 5 ja 25, 7 7 ja 41, 49. Next sigma x square equals to 168 sigma x into y. X into y. 28 into minus 7, that is minus 196. 38 into minus 5, minus 190. 46 into minus 3, minus 138. 40 into minus 1, minus 40. 56 into plus 1, 56. 60 into 3, 180. 64 into 5, 320. 72 into 7, 504. So now we have to add the plus values. From the plus values we subtract the minus values. Sigma xy equals to 496. Now y equals to a plus bx. Y equals to a plus bx. A is sigma y. The sigma y total is 404. 404 by 8. 8 is the number of items, equals to 404 by 8 is 50.5. B equals to sigma xy by sigma x square. Xy is 496. Next x square is 168, that is 2.95. yc equals to a plus bx. yc equals to a is 50.5 plus b is 2.95 x. Estimated value is current year 1998, base year 1993.5, that is 4.5 into yc equals 50.5 plus 2.95 into x means here 9. 50.5 plus 2.95 into 9, 26.55. 50.5 plus 26.55, 77.05. So this is the another solution. Now we have to see the parabolic trend equation. Next, these are very important problems. Y equals to a plus bx plus c x square. Out AB values from the following. Sigma y equals to n into a plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Sigma xy equals to a sigma x plus b sigma x square plus c sigma x square y equals to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x power 4. Now let us discuss the problem. Second degree parabolic trend. Second degree parabolic trend. Here fit an equation from y equals to a plus bx plus cx square to the data given below. X values are here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values are 25, 28, 33, 39, 46. Now we go to the problem. Calculation of parabolic trend equations. Now first is x values. Here x values are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means here odd number of years are given. Y values are 25, 28, 33, 39, 46. The total of sigma y equals to 171. For x values, odd number of years are given: -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. Now x into x square. So 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. The total of sigma y is 171. Total of sigma x is 0. Sigma x square is 10. Sigma x cube means x into x, that is x cube. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. 1 into 1, 1 into 1, 1. 1 1 ja 1. 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. The total of sigma x cube also 0. X power 4. X power 4 means x into x into x. Here 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 1 1 ja 1 and 1 1 ja 1, that is 1. 0 into 0 0 0. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. The total of sigma x power 4 is 34. 5 x into y. 25 into -2, -50, 28 into -1, -28, 33 into 0, 0, 39 into 1, plus 39, 46 into 2, plus 92. The total of the sigma xy is 53. Here first we have to add the plus values. From the plus values we have to subtract the minus values. The sum of the sigma xy is 53. So next is sigma x square y. X square into y. 25 into 4, 100. 28 1 ja 28. 33 into 0, 0. 39 1 ja 4. Here the total of sigma x square y equals to 351. Now the first equation. 6 to n into a plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Sigma y is 171 equals to n means 5 items, n 5a plus b sigma x is 0, b into 0 plus c into x square means that is 10, c into 10. 171 equals to 5a plus 10c. Here 5a plus 10c equals to 171. This is first equation. The second equation is sigma xy equals to a sigma x plus b sigma x square plus c sigma x cube. So sigma y is 53. A sigma x means 0 plus b sigma x square means 10. C sigma x cube means 0. Here b equals to a into 0 0, c into 0 0. B equals to 53 by 10. B equals to 5.3. Now next equation is sigma x square y equals to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x power 4. Sigma x square y is 351. A sigma x square a into 10 plus b sigma x cube b into 0 plus c sigma x power 4 means that is 34. 351 is equals to 10 into a, 10a plus 34 into c, 34c. 4 c equals to 351. This is third equation. Now here we have to multiply the first equation with 2. 5a plus 10c equals to 171 into 2. So for 2 into 5a, 10a plus 2 into 10c, 20c, 2 into 171, 342. Next is 10a plus 34c plus 351. That is third equation. Again this first equation, 10a plus 20c equals to 302. That is 14c equals to 351 minus 342. That is 9. Equals to 9 by 14. C equals to 0.642. Next is 5a plus 10c equals to 171. This is first equation. 5a plus 10. See here, C value is already calculated. That is C equals to 0.642. So 10 into 0.642 equals to 171. 5a plus 10 into 0.642, 6.42 equals to 171. 5a equals to 171 minus 6.42. a equals to 171 minus 6.42, that is 164.58. a equals to 164.58 by 5, that is 32.9. Now y equals to a plus bx plus c x square. Y equals to a is 32.9 plus b is 5.3x, c is 0.x square. Let us discuss the another problem. Find a second degree parabola to the following data. Year is 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999. The sales are 50, 80, 60, 100, 70. Now let us see the second problem. Calculation of parabolic trend. Next, here odd number of years are given. X is 1995, 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999. Next, y is 50, 80, 60, 100, 70. The total of sigma y equals to 360. Here odd number of years are given. -2, -1, 0, +1, +2. The total is 0. Next, x square, 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1. Next, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. Sigma x square is 10. Now sigma x cube. X into x into x, that is x cube. 2 into 2, 4, 4 2 ja 8, -8, -1. 0 into 0, 0. 1 into 1, 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. The total of sigma x cube is 0. Now x power 4. X power 4 means x into x, x into x. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 1 1 ja 1, 0 into 0, 0. 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. The total of sigma x power 4 equals to 34. Next is sigma xy. Now x into y, 50 into -2, -100, 80 into -1, -80, 60 into 0, 0, 100 into -1, 100 into +1, +100, 70 into +2, that is +140. Next, here for sigma xy, that is we have to add the plus values, subtract the minus values, that is 60. Sigma xy is 60. Sigma x square into y. Here 54 ja 200, 81 ja 80, 60 into 0, 0, 101 ja 100, 74 ja 280. That is sigma x square y is 660. Now is the first equation. Sigma y equals to n into a plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Next, sigma y is 360 equals to NA means here 5 into A plus B sigma x means 0 plus C 10. Next here 360 5A plus 10C, that is first equation. Sigma xy equals to A sigma x square plus C sigma x power 3. Sigma xy is 60. A sigma x is 0 plus B sigma x square is 10 plus C sigma x cube means that is 0. 60 is equals to B into 10. B equals to 60 by 10, that is 6. Sigma x square y equals to A sigma x square plus B sigma x cube plus C sigma x power 4. Sigma x square y is 660 equals to A sigma x square means A into 10 plus B sigma x cube means B into 0 plus C sigma x power 4 means C into 34. 660 equals to 10A plus 34C. 10A plus 34C is 660. Now we have 10A plus 34C is 660. Next here first equation 2 into 360 720. Next 2 into 5A 10A, 2 into 10C 20C. Now here plus 100 minus 100 will be cancelled. 34C minus 20C 14C equals to 660 minus 720, that is minus 60. C equals to minus 60 by 14, that is 0.57. Next is 5A plus 10C equals to 360. 5A plus 10, C value is minus 4.2857, that is 360. 5A plus or minus minus 10 into 4.2857 42.87 equals to 360. 5A equals to 360 minus 42.857. 5A equals to 402.58 360 plus 42.857, that is 402.87 by 5. A equals to 80.517. Y equals to 80.517 plus Bx means 6x minus 4.285. Next third problem. Fit a second degree arrow to the following data. No graph is required. Calculate the trend value. Calculate the trend value. Now year is given 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, 2000. The sales are 12, 10, 14, 20, 8. Now the solution. Calculation of parabolic trend equation. X is 1996, 1997, 1998, 1999, that is 2000. Here odd number of years are given. Y is 12, 10, 14, 20, 28. Total of sigma y equals to 84. X is here odd number of years are given. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. The total of sigma x is 0. X square 2 into 2 4. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. Sigma x square is 10. Sigma x cube minus 8, 2 2 ja 4. X cube means x into x into x. Next here 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. Next 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 0 into 0 0. 1 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8. The total of sigma x cube is 0. X power 4 means x into x, x into x. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. 0 into 0 0. 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. The total of x power 4 is 34. Next sigma x into y. 12 into minus 2 minus 24, 10 into minus 1 minus 10, 14 into 0 0, 21 ja 20, 28 into 2, that is 56. The total of sigma xy is 42. Sigma x square y. X square 12 4 ja 8, 10 1 ja 10, 0, 14 into 0 0, 21 ja 20, 28 4 ja 112. The total of sigma x square y is 190. Next is sigma y equals to n into a plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Sigma y means that is 8. N into na means 5a plus b into 0 plus c into cx square means c into 10. Here 84 equals to 5a plus 10c, that is sigma xy equals to a sigma x plus b sigma x square c sigma x power 3. Now sigma xy means that is 42 equals to a into 0 plus b into 10, x square means 10 plus c into x cube means 0. 42 equals to b 10, b equals to 42 by 10, b is 44.2. Sigma x square equals to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x power 4. X square y is 190 equals to a sigma x square means a into 10 plus a b sigma x cube means x cube is 0, b into 0 plus x power 4 means c into 34. 190 equals to a into 10, 10a plus c, 10a plus 34c equals to 190. Next second and first equation, 10a plus 34c equals to 190. Now 2 into 84, 168, 2 into 5a, 10a, 2 into 20c. Here 34c minus 20c, that is 14c equals to 190 minus 168, 22. c equals to 22 by 14, that is 1.57. 5a plus 10c equals to 84. 5a plus 10c equals to 84. 5a plus 10 c means 1.57 equals to 84. 5a plus 10 into 1.57, 15.7, that is 84. 5a equals is 15.7. a equals to 68.3 by 5, that is 13.66. y equals to 13.66 plus 42.x plus 1.57 x square. Let us discuss another problem in parabolic trend equation. Now fit a parabolic curve of the second degree to data given below and estimate the value for 1979 as comment on it. Year is 1973, 1974, 1975, 1976 and 1977. Sales are 10, 12, 13, 10, 8. Now discuss this year. Years here, odd number of years are given: 1973, 1974, 1975, 1976, 1977. Next y equals to here, y equals to here 10, 10, 12, 13, 10, 8. The total of y is 53. X equals to, here odd number of years are given: -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. The total of sigma x is 0. X square, 2 2 ja 4, 1 1 ja 1, 0 into 0 0, 1 1 ja 1, 2 2 ja 4. Sigma x square is 10. Sigma x cube. Next to 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, -8, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1, that is -1, 0, 1 into 1 into 1, 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, x square equals to 0. Sigma x power 4, x into x, x into x, 6. X power 4 means 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16, 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. Next 1 1 ja 1, 1 1 ja 1. 2 2 ja 4, 4 2 ja 8, 8 2 ja 16. The total of sigma x power 4 equals to 34. Sigma x into y, x into y. Into -2, -20, 12 into -1, -12, 13 into 0, 0, 10 1 ja 10, 8 2 ja 16. The total of sigma xy is -6. Now sigma x square y. So x square into y, x square into y. 10 into 4, 40, 12 1 ja 12, 13 into 0, 0, 10 1 ja 10, 8 4 ja 32. X square is 34. Sigma xy is, sigma y equals to n into a plus b sigma x plus c sigma x square. Sigma y is 53 equals to 5a plus 10, 10 into x, x value is 0 plus c into sigma x square, that is 10. 53 equals to 5a plus 10c, that is 5a plus 10c, that is 53. Equation 1. Sigma xy equals to a sigma x plus b sigma x square plus c sigma x cube. -6 equals to a into sigma x 0 plus b into x square is 10 plus c sigma x cube means 0. Xy minus 6 equals to b into 10 10b minus b equals to by 10, b equals to minus 0.6 x. Sigma x square y equals to a sigma x square plus b sigma x cube plus c sigma x power 4. So x square y is 94, a into x square means 10 plus b into x cube means 0 plus c into x power 4 is, that is 34. Next, x square y equals to 94 plus 10a plus 34c. 10a plus 34c 94, that is equation 2. So 10a plus 34c is 94. Next to t into 5a, 10a plus 2 into 20c, 2 into 53 106. Next 10a will be cancelled. 34 minus 34c minus 20c, that is 14c, that is 34 minus 106 minus 12, c equals to minus 12 by 14 minus 0.857. 5a plus 10c equals to 53. 5a plus c means here 0.857 equals to 53. 5a plus into minus 10 into 0.857 8.57, that is 53. 5a equals to 53 plus 8.57, a equals to 61.57 by 5, that is 12.314. Next, y equals to a plus bx plus cx square. Y equals to 12.314 minus 0.6x minus 0.857, that is 57x square. Estimated value is, current year is 1979, base year is 1975, that is 4. Next, here y equals a plus bx plus c sigma x square. Next, that is a is 12.314 minus b is 2.4 minus, the total is minus 3.086. Now this parabolic trend equation is completed. Let us discuss seasonal variations. Here seasonal variations are repetitions in the parabolic periodic table movements of the trend in a short period of time. So measurement of seasonal variations, there are seasonal variations, method of simple average, ratio to trend method, ratio of moving average method, link relatives method. Next, method of simple average, compute the season wise average for the whole data. Next, compute the gross average, and seasonal index for the each season is dividing the average pertaining to that season with the gross average. The result so obtains is multiplied by 100 to avoid the decimals. Seasonal average equals to total by number of years. Gross average equals to total of seasonal average by number of items. Next, seasonal index equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. Seasonal average by gross average into 100, that is seasonal index. Discuss simple average method. Given the seasonal averages, calculate the seasonal index and numbers by applying simple average method. And summer is 45.6, monsoon is 177.75, autumn is 102.40, winter is 209.6. Calculation of seasonal index. Summer is 45.6, monsoon is 177.75, next autumn is 102.40, winter is 209.6. Gross average equals to total of seasonal average by number of years. Total of seasonal average 45.6 plus 177.75 plus 102.40 plus 209.6 by 4. Next is the total of 4 seasons is 535.35 by 4, that is 133.83. Seasonal index equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. Summer, seasonal average by gross average into 100. 45.6 by 133.83 into 100, that is 34.07. Monsoon equals to seasonal average by grass average into 100. Seasonal average is 177.75 by 138.83 into 100, that is 132.81. Autumn is grass average into 100. Seasonal average 102.40 by gross average 133.83 into 100, that is 76.51. Winter seasonal average by grass average into 100. Seasonal average is 209.6 by gross average 133.83 into 100, that is 156.61. Let us discuss the another problem. Find seasonal indices by simple average method from the following data. Years are given 1998, 1999, 2000, 2001. Quarters are given for 1998 6.0, 6.4, 6.8, 7.2. Second quarter is 6.5, 6.9, 6.6, 6.8. Third quarter is 8.8, 8.4, 8.2, 7.5. Fourth quarter is 8.7, 8.3, 7.0, 8.5. Now the calculation of seasonal index. The calculation of seasonal index. What are Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. 1998 6.0, 6.5, 8.8, 8.7. 1999 6.4, 7.9, 8.4, 8.3. Next 2000 6.8, 6.6, 9.2, 7.0. 2001 7.2, 6.8, 7.5, 8.5. Now the total of Q1 26.4 by 4, that is 6.6. Total of Q2 27.8 by 4, that is 6.9. Total of Q3 33.9 by 4, that is 8.475. Total of Q4 32.4, that is 8.125. Next is gross average equals to total of seasonal average by number of years. Total of seasonal average 6.6 plus 6.95 plus 8.475 plus 8.125 by 4, that is 30.15 by 4, that is 7.5375. Next is Q1 is seasonal average by gross average into 100. Seasonal average by gross average 7.5375 into 100, that is 87.56. Q2 seasonal average by gross average into 100. So 6.95 by 7.5375 into 100, 92.21. Q3 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. 8.475 by 7.5375 into 100, that is 112.44. Q4 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. 8.125 by 7.575 into 100, that is 107.79. The next problem is calculate the seasonal index from the following data using the method. The years are given 1992, 1993, 1994, 1995, 1996. Quarter 1 72, 76, 74, 76, 78. Quarter 2 68, 70, 66, 74 and 74. Quarter 3 is 80, 82, 84, 84, 86. Quarter 4 is 70, 70, 78, again 82. Now let us discuss the third problem, calculation of seasonal index. So here quarters are given Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4. Year is 1992, 72, 68, 80, 70. Year 1993, 76, 70, 82, 74. Year 1994, 74, 66, 80. Next year 1995, 76, 74, 84, 78. Year 1996, 78, 74, 86, 82. The total of quarter 1 376 by 5, that is 75.8. Total of quarter 2 is 352 by 5, that is 70.4. Total of Q3 equals to 416 by 5, that is 83.2. Next total of quarter 4 is 384 by 5, that is 76.8. Gross average equals to total of seasonal average by number of years. Next total of seasonal average 75.8 plus 70.4 plus 83.2 plus 76.8 by 4, that is 305.6 by 4, that is 76.4. Next Q1 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. Seasonal average, that is 75.8 by 76.4 into 100, 98.42. Next Q3 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. Seasonal average 70.4 by gross 76.4 into 100, that is 92.14. Next Q3 is seasonal average into 100. Seasonal average 83.2 by 76.4 into 100, that is 108.90. Q4 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. 76.8 by 76.4 into 100, that is 100.52. Next let us seasonalization. Let us discuss the deseasonalization. So deseasonalize the following data using a multiplicative model. Quarters 1, 2, 3, 4, sales 65.4, 25.2, 23.7, 21.4, seasonal index 148, 124, 78, 50. Now calculation of deseasonalization. Quarter 1, 2, 3, sales are 65.4, 25.2, 23.7, 21.4. Seasonal index 148, 124, 78, 50. Next is Q1 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. 65.4 by 148 into 100, 44.18. Q2 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. 25.2 by 124 into 100, 20.3. Q3 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. 23.7 by 78 into 100, 30. Q4 equals to seasonal average by gross average into 100. 21.4 by 50 into 100, that is 42.8. Next is the seasonal indices of the sales of a firm are as given. Months are January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Now seasonal 106, 105, 101, 104, 98, 96, 93, 89, 92, 102, that is 108. If the firm is expecting average monthly sales are 42 lakhs during year 1986, estimate the sales of the individual months of 1982. Calculation of deseasonalization. January 42 lakhs by 100 into 106, 44 lakhs 52,000. Next February month 42 lakhs by 100 into 105, 44 lakhs 10,000. March month 42 lakhs by 100 into 101, 42 lakhs 42,000. April month 42 lakhs by 100 into 104, 43 lakhs 68,000. May month 42 lakhs by 100 into 98, that is 41 lakhs 16,000. June month 42 lakhs by 100 into 96, 40 lakhs 32,000. July month 42 lakhs by 100 into 93, 39 lakhs 6,000. August month 42 lakhs by 100 into 89 equals to 37 lakhs 38,000. Next September month 42 lakhs by 100 into 92, 38 lakhs 6,000. October 42 lakhs by 100 into 102, 42 lakhs 84,000. November month 42 lakhs by 100 into 106, 44 lakhs 52,000. December 42 lakhs by 100 into 108, that is 45 lakhs 36,000. These are the problems in deseasonalization. Here deseasonalization and indices are calculated and deseasonalization is calculated. Here in this video 3 topics are completed: least squares method, parabolic trend equation, seasonal index and deseasonalization. Now the for seasonal index are given. In seasonal index, here for seasonal index the formula is average by gross average into 100. Deseasonalization, sales are in the sales are given and seasonal index both are given. Now seasonal average by gross average into formula is seasonal average by gross average into 100. In the last problem, deseasonalization, the sales are given for the 1986 month. We have to estimate the each month each month sales of the 1986. For January month 44 lakhs 52,000, February month 44 lakhs 10,000, March month 42 lakhs 42,000, 43 lakhs 18,000, May month 41 lakhs 16,000, June month 40 lakhs 32,000, July month 42 lakhs into 100 into 93 39 lakhs 6,000, August month 37 lakhs 38,000, September month 38 lakhs 64,000, October month 42 lakhs 84,000, November month 2,000, December month 45 lakhs 36,000. This is deseasonalization for every month. So the total of the 1986 is, so for each month sales are calculated under the deseasonalization. This is deseasonalization. Thank you all. Thank you very much.